Get ready to experience a smarter way of managing maintenance. Cryotos just got a powerful upgrade with tool management. In Cryotos, we have enhanced a new module, tool management. This is available both in web application and mobile apps. This module enables the organization to maintain an extensive database of tools, preventing loss, ensuring availability, and reducing unnecessary purchases. It allows for a detailed tracking of tool status, whether the tools are available, lent out, or damaged, and facilitates a regular performance evaluations. Here in Cryotos, we have to create the tools which are maintained in the particular organization. So for that we have to create the tools under assets by differentiating using the type of assets. So the tool has been created and we can maintain the information of that particular tool. And in the lend history we can do the lent out process. So here we can just mention which person is doing the lending process and from which date and to until which date they are going to give the lent process, and the reason for lent, the verification. For verification details they can attach the picture of that particular spares, and in the item condition we can mention good or damaged. Whenever we are sending out the goods we can mention the condition and give a remarks for the same. After doing this we can track the tools which are sent out for any particular purposes, and in this tool management we can see and track the history details. We can see what all the tools are available. Based on the availability we can do our lent out purpose. The same option is applicable in mobile applications as well. In mobile applications we can see under the details here we can see the option of tool management. Here also we can see the dashboards of all availability and the damaged parts. So in this available we can see the details of tools, and we can see if the tool is been available we can do the lent out process using the mobile application in a quick and easy manner. We can see the basic details, we can see at which location this tool is there and the previous history of that particular tool. And if you click the lent process, the same option which we done in the web application, the same we can do here in mobile hand, and we can track the tool management in our handset itself. This tool management enables us a easy tracking of our tools in the day-to-day activities. Thank you.